how to change Instagram account password on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change your password for your Insta account on iOS device or iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your Instagram application. Once you do so, here if you're logged in, you should get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Once you do so, what you want to do is at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the profile icon. You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do so, you'll be headed into your profile, right? Now next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen here. Once you do so, here you should get an interface like this. Now you want to simply tap on the very first option, settings and privacy. Now once you tap on settings and privacy, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the first option, account center. On the account center, you'll get various options, and there under account settings you can see the third option that says password and security. Simply tap on password and security option, and here you should get an interface like this. Now you can see very first option, change password. Simply tap on change password option here, and once you tap on change password here, you will have to choose an account to make changes. Once you select your Insta account, and there you'll have to enter in your current password and then your new password and retype your new password. Simply tap on change password after you do so at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to change your password, or your Insta account password will be changed. So this way you can change your account or Insta account password on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.